Hello and welcome to Brainetainment, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. We are your one-stop shop for a wealth of knowledge, aiming to empower you with insights and information that can transform your everyday life. Here at Brainetainment, we believe in the power of knowledge, especially when it pertains to our health and wellness. We delve into the nitty-gritty of health topics, debunking myths and shining a light on overlooked aspects of our well-being. We are passionate about fostering an informed community that is equipped to make the best decisions for their health. Today we're diving into the versatile world of castor oil, a natural remedy that's been around for centuries, yet its potent benefits are often overlooked. So, buckle up and get ready to explore a world of wellness you've never known before. Stay with us as we unravel the 10 powerful benefits of castor oil no one told you about. First, let's dive into what castor oil actually is. Castor oil is a multi-purpose vegetable oil that people have used for thousands of years. It's made by extracting oil from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. These seeds, which are known as castor beans, contain a toxic enzyme called ricin. However, heating up the seeds during the oil extraction process deactivates this enzyme, making the oil safe to use. Originating from the Mediterranean region, Eastern Africa and India, castor oil has been globally recognized for its medicinal and industrial uses. It's traditionally been used topically for skin and hair benefits and internally as a laxative. More recently, it's found its way into a multitude of products, from cosmetics to lubricants and even biodiesel. Now let's delve into the benefits that make this oil a must-have in your home. Ready to be amazed? Here are the first 3 benefits of castor oil. Firstly, let's delve into the world of skincare. Castor oil is a boon for those struggling with acne. This wonder oil has ricinoleic acid, an unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid, and a potent antibacterial agent. When applied topically, it penetrates the skin, inhibiting bacteria that cause acne, thus giving you a clear, glowing complexion. Now, imagine combating stubborn dandruff with just a few drops of oil. Yes, you heard that right. Castor oil is an excellent remedy for a flaky scalp. Its antifungal properties can help eliminate dandruff-causing fungus and soothe the scalp. Moreover, it hydrates the scalp, reducing itchiness and dryness. A regular massage with castor oil can bring you a step closer to a healthy, dandruff-free scalp. Moving on to the third benefit, pain relief. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory properties can ease swelling and reduce joint pain. It's not just limited to arthritis though. Whether it's a muscle strain from an intense workout or a throbbing headache, a gentle massage with warm castor oil can provide a significant respite from discomfort. And let's not forget about its potential effects on the immune system. Castor oil is believed to boost lymphocyte production, those white blood cells playing a vital role in your body's defense mechanism. A stronger immune system means a better resistance to diseases, and who wouldn't want that? But remember, while castor oil is generally safe for most people, it's always wise to do a patch test or consult a healthcare professional before incorporating it into your routine. Impressed yet? Well, hold on, because we have more to share. So stay tuned as we unravel the rest of the powerful benefits of castor oil. Moving on, we have even more benefits of castor oil to share. Let's delve into the next 3 benefits of this remarkable oil, each with unique impacts on your health. Our fourth benefit is the incredible ability of castor oil to boost your immune system. This oil is packed with a variety of compounds that can stimulate the body's natural defenses. It aids in the production of lymphocytes, the body's disease-fighting cells. So regular use of castor oil can help you stay robust and healthy, keeping those pesky seasonal bugs at bay. Next up, we have castor oil's role in skin health. This oil is a natural moisturizer, thanks to its high concentration of fatty acids that can penetrate the skin's layers. It hydrates and nourishes your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and radiant. Moreover, it can help alleviate conditions like dermatitis and eczema, making it a great addition to your skincare routine. Rounding out our list for this segment is the 6th benefit, castor oil's contribution to hair health. It can work wonders on your locks. The oil's ricinoleic acid content helps improve blood circulation in the scalp, promoting hair growth. It also works to strengthen the hair roots and condition the strands, giving you luscious, healthy hair. So, whether you're looking to bolster your immune system, enhance your skin health, or achieve that shiny, voluminous hair, castor oil might just be the secret ingredient you're missing. And we're not done yet. Stay tuned for the final 4 benefits. You'll be surprised by the many other ways this versatile oil can improve your health and well-being. Finally, we present the last 4 benefits of this incredible oil. Can you guess what's next? Indeed, it's another skin-related benefit. Castor oil is a fantastic natural moisturizer. Rich in fatty acids, it can hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, supple, and glowing. The high concentration of ricinoleic acid enhances its moisturizing capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those with dry skin. For our 8th benefit, let's move away from the skin and delve into the hair. Castor oil is a potent ally for hair health. It's not just the strands that benefit, but also the scalp. It helps in maintaining a healthy scalp by combating dandruff and scalp infections due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties. Plus, the oil is known to enhance hair growth and thickness, giving you that luscious mane you've always dreamed of. Now, here's a benefit that might surprise you. Castor oil is also beneficial for your immune system. When applied topically, it can influence the production of lymphocytes, the disease-fighting cells in your immune system. This can help your body ward off infections and diseases more efficiently. Finally, the last benefit of the day, castor oil's role in pain relief. It has been used for centuries to alleviate pain, especially in conditions like arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it an effective natural remedy to soothe joint pain and inflammation. So there you have it. From enhancing skin health to promoting hair growth, from boosting your immune system to providing pain relief, castor oil indeed holds a plethora of benefits. It's a product of nature that is powerful, versatile, and accessible. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. What a journey we've had exploring the benefits of castor oil. We embarked on this voyage of discovery with an introduction to castor oil, a humble yet powerful ingredient that's been used for centuries. We learned that this natural elixir, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is packed with a wealth of health benefits that are simply too good to ignore. We then delved into the first 3 benefits of castor oil. We learned how it's a potent ally for skin health, offering natural moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties. We also discovered its power in promoting hair growth and vitality, making it a secret weapon for those seeking luscious locks. Finally, we found out that it's a fantastic support for the immune system, helping to keep our bodies in fighting form. In our next segment, our exploration took us further, revealing the next trio of benefits. We discovered that castor oil is a natural remedy for constipation, providing gentle relief when needed. We also learned about its role in wound healing, aiding in faster recovery. And we found out that it can be a great help in managing arthritis pain, offering a natural alternative for pain relief. Our journey didn't stop there. In the final segment, we uncovered the last 4 benefits. We learned that castor oil can help with sleep, balance hormones, improve lymphatic drainage, and even support during pregnancy and childbirth. In essence, castor oil is a jack of all trades, offering a multitude of benefits from a single source. Each benefit is a testament to the power of nature and a reminder of the importance of incorporating natural remedies into our lives. In our modern world, it's easy to overlook the natural remedies that have served humanity for centuries. But as we've discovered today, sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have stood the test of time. Thank you for joining us on Brainy-tainment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay informed.